In more news coming in, Zubeen Garg's cousin APS officer Sandipan Garg has been arrested in connection with the ongoing investigation into the singer's suspicious death in Singapore. Today he will be produced at the CGM court. Sandipan Garg, who was present with Zubeen Garg during this incident, has been questioned by the CID along with other close associates is what we are learning. A cousin of Zubeen Garg has been arrested. It's a big story. Ashmita Saha getting in more details on that big story. Ashmita, take us through this connection that has been established by the investigating authorities in this matter. A cousin of Zubeen Garg stands arrested today.
Yes. So, Deputy Superintendent of Police, Sandipan Garg, who was present with Zubeen Garg in the yacht party, at the yacht party on September 19, he was arrested today. It was 15 minutes of interrogation that happened today, and following which he was arrested immediately. He was called by the SIT team since last week, and during his eighth interrogation, he was summoned for the 8 times by the SIT team, and following which he was arrested today.
All right, it's an important development that we're reporting on. Take us through the details of the investigation also in this matter, which was earlier being seen as an accident and now being seen as something suspicious here. Ashmita.
Yes. So initially, as followed by the death certificate given by the Singapore authorities, it was a stated drowning. But after an explosive claim by Zubeen Garg's band member, Shekhar Jyoti Goswami, he said he claimed it was like that, there was something suspicious. There was poison involved in his murder. Like Zubeen Garg was murdered. That is something that he claimed. Following which the investigation went towards a different. The investigation went towards a different motive. Like it spoke about a different motive. So yes, following which today the 5th arrest took place, in which his cousin, who in a Facebook post he said that he has cooperated with the authorities when he was summoned. All the time he appeared before the court, before the SIT team, and today he will be produced before the court, CJM court.
You know, I want to understand from you, Ashmita, as far as this entire matter is concerned, what is the alleged wrongdoing that is being looked at as far as the role of the cousin here is concerned?
So initially, when he was summoned, he said he cooperated, but he never informed anything regarding like any sort of foul play. He also cooperated with the fact when Singapore authorities said it was drowning, but after the murder claims were made, he made some statements, following which he was arrested today.
All right.
So initially, he did not point out at anything, any sort of foul play. But after Shekhar Jyoti Goswami, he made certain statements, and today he was arrested.
Okay. You know, also, Ashmita, take us to the investigations up to speed in this matter up until now, ever since the death took place on the 19th of September.
Yeah, so initially on October 1st, it was Zubeen's Adya Shraddha, and on that very day, the first two accused, the prime accused, Shyam Kanu Mohanto, who was Northeast India's Festival's manager, he was arrested, and along with Zubeen Garg's manager Siddharth. After which, Shekhar Jyoti Goswami and Amrit Prabha, his co-singer, Zubeen Garg's co-singer, was arrested, and following which a lot of people actually, Zubeen Garg's
arrests in this case have been made.
Yes, arrested in this case.
Even Zubeen Garg. I'm going to leave it at that for the moment. Getting in those details is my colleague Ashmita Saha.